where the pace of change accelerates and the competitive landscape grows ever more challenging, the importance of quality has become paramount for businesses seeking a competitive advantage. For quality champions like you, it is your responsibility to navigate this dynamic environment on behalf of your company, your customers, and your community. As you embrace innovation and lead the way, ETQ is here to proudly enable you on your quality journey. Throughout our journey, we, too, have evolved, which has facilitated us to transform, and it is within this realm of transformation that the future of quality lies. At ETQ, we are committed to harnessing the power of technology to make advancements in the field of quality. Our relentless pursuit of innovation drives us forward, empowering you to build great things and take your organization to new levels. Together, we harness the power of people, technology, and data to navigate the road to optimal quality, customer satisfaction, and maximum business impact. We revolutionize the way quality management is done. We believe quality creates limitless possibilities. With our focused approach, we address mission-critical areas such as supplier quality, compliance at scale, cost of poor quality, decision velocity, time to market, and safety. Together, we improve supplier quality to ensure positive business impact and enhanced customer loyalty. Together, we ensure compliance is not a burden, but a strategic advantage, allowing you to stay ahead of the curve. Together, we strive to reduce cost of poor quality to minimize business disruption, brand risk, and revenue impact. Together, we improve decision velocity by delivering trusted perspective and predictive information using analytics, automation, and AI. Together, we accelerate time to market by optimizing product lifecycle. And by focusing on safety and sustainability, we make the world safer, healthier, and more efficient by bringing quality excellence to our customers and the rest of the world. ETQ, empowering quality leaders, creating limitless opportunities.